Welcome back, dear students, in our fourth episode of IUPAC Nomenclature of Complex Compounds. In this episode, I'll be taking the complex compounds where you will neither have the associated cation nor the associated anion. You will have a straightforward complex with the metal and the ligand or ligands. That's it. Let's see how we name the compound. This is CuGly, glycine. It's an ion, glycinato. They are two in number. So we will name it as bis, standing for two ligands. So it is bis. This is an organic ligand. Organic always has a prefix bis, tris, tetrakis, etc. They are two. So bis glycinato. Glyce, glycinato, glycinato, and this is copper. In the third episode where we had the cation, we used to name the central metal ion as cuprate. No 8, it's a simple name of the metal ion, and that is named as copper. So we will name it as copper, and then we'll place the bracket. Don't forget to place the bracket. Glycine with glycinato ion. It has got minus 1 charge, so that makes total 2. 2 ones are minus 2. On the other side goes, and that makes the oxidation state plus 2. Will write with the Roman number. So the whole name goes this way: bis glycinato copper 2. Straight away we name with the ligand because there is no associated cation. Again this one, Cr. EDTA, you know, it is ethylene diamine tetraacetate ion. This is EDTA. This is carbonate ion. So I'll straight away name from here as ethylene diamine tetraacetate, because it's an ion, it's acetato. This is carbonato, because it's a ligand, NATO, NATO. And this is chromium, so straight away we'll write chromium. And then we'll place the bracket for the oxidation number. This is a neutral ligand. This is a ligand which is bidentate, having -2 charge. It goes on the other side as per the equation in episode 3 we have learned. So and that makes a total of 2 as the oxidation number of chromium. We have one more where we have one negative monodentate ligand and another is neutral bidentate ligand. Neutral bidentate ligand. See this one. It is ethylene diamine. In general, it's a symbolized one, but otherwise we say it is 1,2-diaminoethane, or we can name it as ethane 1,2-diamine. So these are the three ways, variety of ways we can name it. Okay. First of all, it's a ligand Br, so we will name it as di-bromido. Okay. This is En. As I said, it is ethane having 2 NH2 group, so it is ethane 1, and second position having amine, so it is ethane 1,2-diamine. We'll name it over here ethane 1,2-diamine, bracket over, and then comes copper, so we'll straight away write copper. Don't forget to place the bracket for the oxidation number. En is neutral. This is -1 with 2 number, so that finally ends up with oxidation number 2. Fine. Now interesting, the turning point is over here with the 2 brackets, 2 complex compounds. We want to name both. No problem, simpler one. We'll use tactic over here and we'll name both. Any time it comes with respect to 2, you keep the things in mind. The very first complex, you just consider it as a cation, associated cation. Let it be the same. For example, this is associated cation, so it is, you can see, tetraamine platinum. It's simple. Forget it. This too indicates the oxidation state of platinum, which is already given to us. So I'll write for this one as tetraamine platinum. And then I'll place the bracket for the same. Fine. We'll move on to the next bracket. Forget about this and concentrate on this. This is 3 times OX and PT. OX 3 times. So I'll write it as tri. OX is oxalato. And then, as we did in the episode 3, to name the central metal ion which is associated with the cation is not simply platinum but platinate. The suffix was ate. So we'll name it as platinate. And then bracket. Here we already have 2. So we'll place its oxidation number which is already given. Here is its OX with -2. Oxidation state of OX, oxalate ion is -2. Into 3 is -6. -6 and difference of already 2 is existing. So it finally ends up over here as 4. So the whole name goes this way. Tetraamine platinum 2 trioxalato platinate 4. This is name. I'll repeat one more for your exercise point of view. This is associated cation. It is 6 means hexa. NH3 is amine. So I'll write it for you as hexa amine. This is Cr, so we'll write it as chromium. Bracket over. Forget it, we'll concentrate on this. Again 6, so hexa. It is NO2, simply nitro. Cr is chromium, but as it is a central metal ion, we will name it as chromate, and then we'll not forget to place the bracket. Now this chromium has the oxidation number 3, so straight away place 3 over here. Now this is -1 with 6. -1 with 6, so -6. Already 3 exists, so difference of 3, that is to be placed over here. So this is how you can place the oxidation number even for 2 such complex compounds when they are to be named together. So this is one more variety I have focused in this episode. This is episode 4. We'll still put on with the next episode with new variety of nomenclature. Meanwhile, do keep in mind my email is styrene. You are chemistry people, you know styrene 1411@gmail.com, and any doubt you have, if you have, you just mail me on this address for further correspondence. Obviously, my channel is Saurin.S.Mehta Chemistry. Wish you all the very best and we'll keep in touch.